Hey loves, welcome back to ItsClassyJazzy channel. Today I'll be showing you guys my natural but yet bold makeup tutorial. To learn how I created this look, just keep watching. I've completed my whole entire face and I primed my lids. So now I'm using my first transition color, which is a light brown, and then I'll go in with a peachy color. The next color I'm using is a deep brown, and I'm placing that on the outer corner of my eyes. The next thing we're going to do is a half cut crease. So I grab my concealer and flat shading brush. I am placing a shimmery champagne color on top of the concealer. To clean up the harsh edges, I'll be using a maroon color on the outer end of my lid. After that has been applied, I am adding a wing. After the wing, I am applying black eyeliner on my waterline. Once when I have done that, I'm going to smudge it out with a pencil brush. Now I am adding mascara on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Next, I am lining my lips with a brown lip liner. Then I am adding red on top of it. Make sure you blend the colors until it's an ombre effect. I'm adding a rosy light blush on my cheek. Then highlight. And this is the completed look. I changed my lips to nude because for whatever reason I'm just not a big fan of, wait, hold on y'all, I don't know why this eyelash. Oh, because I put on two different eyelashes. Way to go, Jazzy. But we're gonna act like that ain't never happened. So I changed my lips from red to nude because I don't really like red lips. Like, nude was a lot better to me in my opinion. Instead of putting red on there, I just use a pink lipstick that's just about my lip color and added lip gloss on top of it. Thank you all for watching my natural but yet a little bit bold makeup tutorial. If you know anybody that needs some help, I got you, boo. You already know this. Wait, hold on. I ain't through yet. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share to your neighbor, your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your cousin, the annoying little dog that's crazy, that be across the street running, stray cat just walking. I mean, show everybody, your grandma, your grandpa, teacher, student, to watch ItsClassyJazzy channel because you already know. Look, you already know what we are. Yes, we are forever lit, and don't you ever forget it, because that's what we are. Love you all. Bye, loves.